Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to go for submissions in Microsoft 365 Defender. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, the Microsoft has been adding newer and newer features to um, its Office 365 environment as per the needs change. So one new feature that is added is submissions. As you can see in this Defender, you have a link to submission. What you can do here you can submit things like email URL or email attachment for Microsoft to analysis. Now you can submit for two reasons. First is like Microsoft has a security mechanism in place where it does block things like email URL or email attachment. So if something that you think is not phishing, malware or spam and that should not be blocked, you can submit it to Microsoft for analysis so that they can do the analysis and do the needful at their end. At the same time, if they're allowing something to pass through that should not be passed through, that also you can submit. So basically, this is an opportunity for you to submit it to Microsoft for analysis. So if you want to do it, what you can do, like you see, I have gone to submission. So I have these things. As of now, nothing I have submitted, but if you want to submit, you can submit to Microsoft. You can see what are the submission you want to do. Email, URL, email attachment. URL, you can put the URL. Email, if you do, you can put the message network message ID, or else you can upload the whole EML file in this format, and you can upload email attachment as well. Then you have the option in all three, whether it should be blocked or should not be blocked. So if something that has passed through and should be blocked, you can go for this option. If something that does not pass through but should be passed through, you can go for this. And moreover, you can take appropriate action as well. So for example, something that should not be blocked, you can check on this block, allow email with similar attributes, and you can set it for specific date. Okay. Or you can add some notes if you want. And on the same side, if something that should have been blocked, then you can classify that under which category it should be blocked. And you can even block emails from this sender or domain altogether. And you can remove this block after certain date, or you can do put never expire. And then it is gonna go through. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.